What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics service provided by Microsoft that lets you visualize your data and share insights. Logic Software Limited, the largest ERP solution provider in Bangladesh, successfully implemented the software in more than 165 RMG companies, providing support for more than 12 years. Logic Software Limited now integrates the data with Microsoft Power BI for more advanced real-time data analyses. Power BI allows you to view, analyze and visualize a huge quantity of data that cannot be opened in Excel or ERP directly. Power BI use powerful compression algorithms to import and catch the data within the PBX file. Every day the user enters a lot of data in the ERP, which are stored in the 𝗏 database server. The data is connected from Oracle, SQL, Excel and our others data sources through a connector. The data flows to the dataset through the gateway by running a scheduler. And finally, from the dataset, a new dash is born. Logic Software Limited successfully integrated your real-time data with the BI and built several of the most effective and decision-maker dashboards which will help to take an initiate decision on your business data. The Logic team is always on standby consistently to provide support to ensure the smooth operation of your data. The team analyzes both your ERP data and synchronizes them with the Power BI data. So, you are the management and you are getting your real-time Logic solution ERP data through the Power BI. And avoid the unnecessary meeting to get your data. Instead of, make your own decisions by Logic ERP Solutions real-time captured data from Power BI.